This morning, the Board of Management, principal, staff, and students are indeed grateful to have Dr. Laverne DaCosta with us this morning. Doc is from the School of Applied Sciences and Arts faculty at Arizona State University. And she had decided to partner with us in improving our visual arts department. Her contribution is huge, to the tune of 1.6 million Jamaican dollars. So it's a huge contribution that she has made to the school, and I know that my visual arts teachers are indeed elated, and they will speak later on as to how glad they are for this contribution. So Doc, I want to welcome you to Aqua Nation. Yes. That's what we call the Denby High. Aqua Nation. And in this nation, we have prince and princesses, and therefore we're royalty. So we have now adopted you into royalty, and you are now part of us. So you're the fairy godmother. Okay, so I'm told you're the fairy godmother. So we are indeed happy to have you. We're grateful. And I hope that when you view the space, that you will be delighted with what we have put forward. Everyone, thanks again for being here. I want to recognize Mr. Junior Codlin. Mr. Codlin has been the fairy godfather. So, he has been helping out the school in a number of areas, and especially in cricket. He has provided us with 2 practice pitches. So we're indeed happy to have him as well in our midst and to say thank you. We're grateful, and we know that we will be doing great things with the help that we are getting. Let us give Doc and Mr. Codlin a round of applause. Thank you again, everyone. I will let it to us now from the Department of Visual Arts.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. What is well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, Honored Principal, members of the board, distinguished guests, Dr. Laverne DaCosta, teachers, parents, and most importantly, our students. Today marks a significant milestone for Denby High School and for the future of the visual arts education at this institution. We are not simply recognizing equipment or renovation. We are celebrating the opportunity, innovation, and investment in the potential of our young people. This document that guides the initiative outlines a clear vision, the modernization of the visual arts department through the introduction of the industry standards, sublimation printing, screen printing, vinyl printing, and digital design technology, supported by dedicated computers lab. Was carefully designed to ensure that our students are not only creative, but also competent, skilled, and career ready. The equipment being introduced includes heat press machine, vinyl system, sublimation machines, and high performance computers, while serve students in grade 10 through to 13. These tools are intentionally aligned to support the CSEC visual arts requirements, while also extending learning beyond examination needs to particularly real-world application. For our grade 10 and 11 students, this equipment will enhance the portfolio development, craftsmanship, design processes, and critical thinking. All key components of the CSEC Visual Arts curriculum for our grade 12 and 13 students. The lab provides advanced opportunity for specialization, entrepreneurship, and certification in the future to come. This modernization ensures that our curriculum reflects current industry practices. Students will gain hands-on experience using professional design software such as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, while applying concept of color theory, typography, layout, and production techniques that are essential to CSEC success, and post-secondary advancement beyond examinations. This initiative opens doors. It prepares students for careers in graphic design, fashion, and textile design, advertising, printing, and creative entrepreneurship. It also creates clear pathways to tertiary institutions such as Edna Manu Visual School of Visual Performing Arts, VDTI, Garmix, and UTEC. An equal important aspect of this project is that entrepreneurial components. Students will be exposed to real-world production, project management, budgeting, and marketing. They will learn that art is not only expression, but also an enterprise. At this time, I would like to extend special heartfelt thanks to Dr. Laverne. Thank you very much. For her generous contribution and unwavering support towards the renovation and modernization for the visual arts department. Dr. Dakas, your investment has created lasting impact and meaningful opportunities for our students. Our commitment to education, your commitment to education and arts will be felt for many years to come. Today, we acknowledge that this transformation is the result of vision, collaboration, and generosity. It represents a commitment to ensuring that Denby High School continues to set the standard for excellence, innovation, and relevancy in education. To our sponsors and partners, thank you for believing in our students. To our teachers, thank you for guiding and shaping young minds.